How to use the Skype app. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can use the Skype app. Now, this video is focused on the beginners and we will be using the mobile application of Skype. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is you will need to have your Skype app and you need to be logged in. So just do that first, and after you do that, this is what your Skype should look like. After you're on your Skype, you can start exploring. You will see different options at the bottom, such as chat, calls, phone, and contacts. Now, if you're on the chat section, you can chat with your friends, you can chat with your family, you can do that. It's like the basic, messaging apps that we have around. So if you head over to the calls, you can call different people from here as well. You can start a Skype call. You can even create a Skype link there. And if you head over to the phone option, you can then start calling people. And yeah, it's basic, it's really simple. And if you head over to the contacts section, you will see your list of contacts. Now you can enable your contacts, you can sync your contacts so that they will be available here. Now, if you head over to the chat section again, on the top left, you will see your profile icon. If you tap on that, you will see different options such as your profile, your bookmarks, your settings, and the option to sign out of your account. Now, if you want to, you can simply head over to your Skype profile and then change any of these details here. You can share your profile as well. Just tap on the share option and then you can share your profile. As you can see right here, there is a link for it. There is a QR code. You can even send an SMS or email. And it's that simple. Now you can add your birthday here as well. And yeah, now other than that, if you head over to the settings option, you will see the account and profile that we just went through and the general settings. Here you can choose your language. There is also translation setting if you want to. And yeah, that is the basic stuff here. And there's privacy option too. Now here you can choose if you want to share your location or not and stuff like that. So you can just go through around here and enable or disable stuff that you want, and yeah, it's up to your liking. Head over to appearance and here you can play with the appearance of your chat. Now you can choose a different color for your DMs like this, and there is a light mode or a dark mode for here as well. So if you choose light, it's fine. If you choose dark, there we go, that is the dark mode. Let's just go with the light, or you can use the system settings as well. Other than that, there is high contrast light and high contrast dark as well. So that is for the appearance. Now you can head over to audio and visual, where you should grant permission for your Skype to be able to use your camera and microphone, and the others are just messaging, your notifications and stuff like that. And yeah, that is the basic of Skype, guys, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye, take care.